Okay, Stephanie Johnson here with Cornerstone Training. So today's topic is going to be Copilot and shortcuts. So in my travels, I do get a chance to teach Copilot quite a bit at Cornerstone. We're doing it with a lot of live audiences virtually and in person. So I get asked questions and get asked to create videos on some of the things that are kind of gotchas or not working the way that people anticipated. So we have this Windows C. So you hold the Windows button and you hit C to quickly open Copilot. And the effect that they want is to open M365 Copilot. And I will go ahead and choose Windows C now so that you can see that this is not the effect that they probably want. So Windows C is now opening up the legacy Copilot, and they really are trying to have a different effect. So I want to show you now what I want to achieve and where we're talking about. So let me get to that particular screen. I'm going to close out of the legacy Copilot that I don't have the subscription for, and many people that I run across in my organizations, government employees, corporate employees are asking me this question. So I'm going to get out of the slide view here so that you can see that Windows is one of the things that we love giving shortcuts for, but it's just not having the effect that they like. So down at the bottom, you're going to see in my toolbar that I have M365 Copilot, and that's literally what people are trying to do. Now, when I hit Windows C, it's opening up our Copilot different. As you see in the toolbar here, that I've just highlighted, that's not what they're looking for. And if you're wondering where I'm looking, it literally is down at the bottom here, and then down at the bottom here. Right. So now that you know that those are the two icons that I'm looking for, when I hit Windows C, I'm getting this icon, and I really want this Copilot to open. So what I show you next will help you with that. So I'm going to close out of the Copilot that I don't want, and I'm going to open up my keyboard Bluetooth. So at this point, I'm going to type in keyboard settings. That will open up my keyboard settings. I'm going to want to be on Bluetooth and devices, and then I'm going to want to go to my keyboard. So when I'm hitting the Windows key and C, as you see here, and I'll go ahead and highlight that for you. Then notice that it says Windows C here, and that's not what we want. So to fix that pretty quickly, we can just change to custom. So I went here, hit the drop down and went to custom. And now, as you see, I, I can choose which app that I like. Microsoft 365 would be what I'd like. I can hit select. Once I hit select here, then now you're going to get the effect that you want. And I'm going to close out of my Bluetooth and devices keyboard settings. And let's do our Windows C one more time. And when you do that, you'll get a chance to go right into let's say I'll go, help me prepare for my day. And when you do that, then it's going to open up your Copilot. So I think it's pretty cool to be able to open up the app quicker with the Windows C. And then at that point, then we've got all type of things that you wouldn't be interested in helping me with my day. I've got Copilot to help me with that. But again, Stephanie Johnson with Cornerstone Training. If you like our videos, please subscribe to them. I've got my shortcuts that for Windows that's located in this particular video if you want to be able to get a number of Copilot and Windows shortcuts. Then, and if you like our video, let us know and watch out for more videos that'll be coming out next week.